I'm sure you all know that Milwaukee have a massive range of impact wrenches that you can see next to me right now, but the one I really want to talk to you about is this one here. This is the 3rd generation compact impact wrench. But what sets this apart from the previous model? Well, there's a large number of things, but specifically the one I want to talk to you about is the amount of power that you're getting from this new generation. When paired with the high output battery, this is now going to get you 542 Newton meters of torque. That's up from 339 of the previous models. That's a massive, massive increase. And when you consider that with this increase in power, you're not actually adding size, you're actually making a more compact impact wrench, because this is just 120 millimeters in length. So really, really small and compact. Looking at the front as well, you can also see they've now added these tri-lights on the front, 3 bright LED lights that are going to light your work surface when you're using the tool. And there's some other things they've added as well. So for example, now with the speed modes that you have here, this can easily be adjusted just with one hand. All you have to do, put it in neutral, 2 presses on the trigger, and that will cycle through the speed modes. But you'll also see here, it's not just the 3 speed modes, because there's also this final option here. Now what this does is it limits the amount of torque that this is going to output to 20 Newton meters of torque. So this is going to mean that you won't over tighten any of the nuts that you're working on. So if you're working on, for example, you're inside your engine bay and you don't want to risk over tightening your nuts, this is what you put it on to make sure that you don't actually do that. And also when you then put it in reverse, it will reduce the speed that the wrench will actually take that nut off and mean you won't be chucking it all over the floor. So it's also got a handy little belt clip here and a variable speed trigger. And as well as that, of course, it's got the Milwaukee FUEL Brushless motor. So you're getting high efficiency. The electronics in the tool will talk to the battery. And of course, with that high output battery on the bottom, you know this is going to be a super solid tool for you to use. It's a really impressive tool. And if you want yours, you can get it right now at its.co.uk.